So guys, let's see here how to add the data to a list. Okay, simply let me write here only. Okay, how to add the data, how to add the data, okay, in a list. Fine. So this is my list. Fine. So let's see here with the help of example how to add on the data here. I hope the text is very clear to you. Okay, so for adding it, we need the, we have to create a list. So suppose I am having one list, that is stationery is equal to then pencil. Okay, and the next is I am having here eraser. Okay, so here I'm closing my list. Now just suppose I want to add notebooks to my list. Okay, I have to add notebooks to my list. Fine, so what I'll do, I will simply use here stationery dot append. Okay, what I want to add here, notebooks, notebooks. Okay, done. So here done, I will print it, print, then I will write here stationery, simply save, and I will just simply run my program, and let's see the output here. Okay, okay, you can see here I'm getting the output pencil, eraser and notebooks has been added to my list. I was having only pencil and eraser in my list. Fine, so I have added notebooks with the help of append function. Clear? So one thing you have to note down here, that append function will always add the item to your list at the end. Okay, at the end of your list only. Fine, I hope it is clear to you. Fine. So now the next thing, just suppose you don't know what is to be added in the list. Okay, in that case what has to be done? Okay, you don't know that what is to be added in the list. Just let me comment it out so that I can simply tell you the another thing also. Just a minute, let me just set the font size. Okay, fine. uh, uh, here it is at, it is here only. Okay, just a minute, because it's, I'm feeling like the font size is big. Okay, let me just make it 30. Okay, fine, I hope it is done. Okay, so next is, now I told you that if your list is empty and you don't know what is there in the list. Okay, somebody wants to make a new list according to the choice, what should come at first, what should come at second, which item should be come at last, and what is to be done. Okay, so for in that case what you can do, you can simply create a empty list. Okay, and you will use the same. Okay, you will use the stationery function here. Okay, dot append. Okay, now the same thing you are going to do. What you want to add here now in the list, pencils. Okay, done. Let me copy this because I have to write again and again this only. Fine, then enter, control V. Now what I want here, eraser. Okay, just suppose I am writing here eraser. Okay, again control V, then I am again writing here, just suppose you want now notebooks. Okay, next again, fine. Okay, fine. Now here you want uh, you can say chalks. Okay, fine. Next again you want you want to purchase stickers. Okay, fine. So just suppose this is my list and I have created my list. Let's check the output. What would be the output over here? I will simply write down here stationery. Okay, and I will print. Fine, and I will print. Okay, control S, and let's check the output. Okay guys, see, you can see here my list is ready with me. Pencils, erasers, notebooks, chalks and sticker. My list is ready according to my choice. Okay, so this is how you can add and you can use a pen function over here in the list. I am repeating it. We use the pen function to add the data in a list, means data, or you can say items, whatever the list you are creating. Okay, fine. So I hope this is clear to you how to use it. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.